Oh, this is my second video, Lego and what? Bionicle. We just there's something I forget to mention in my other video is Bionicle and Hero. You know, she continues to lay on her eggs. I'm sure I bothered her too much, but if they don't produce, I think I'm gonna give them one more chance to lay eggs, and if they don't start producing soon, I think I'm gonna put Bionicle with Lego and just see if I get babies that way. Because their other her previous owner said Lego laid eggs before, so I mean had babies before, so Bionicle and Lego make babies, I'll be so happy. I don't know where I'm gonna put Hero yet, but they just don't produce. I haven't had babies for 5 years. I mean, I think they got good enough food. I feed them mullet seed, and the packaging for their seed in the store says it's mixed with seeds and, fruit and veggies. So leave me a comment. Let me know if you know anything I could do to jumpstart both white faces to do a better job making babies, and I'll be so pleased if you could help me out. Thank you.